In this video, we are going to learn about what is the capacity of a battery. That's what we are going to learn. So, as usual, let's start with a question. What is the question? What happens if a voltmeter is connected like an ammeter in series with the load? Options are given here. You can find an answer in the comment section. If you know, right away answer it, otherwise learn and answer. So now we'll see what is the capacity of a battery. Capacity of a battery is mentioned in Ah. Ah means ampere hour. Ampere hour. In this battery, if you look at this battery, this 150 Ah is mentioned. This battery is about this 150 Ah is mentioned as the capacity of the battery. What does it mean? It means theoretically, ideally it means 150 amps of current it can supply for 1 hour. That's what it meant. But practically it's not possible, but that will be limited by the internal resistance and the chemical reaction inside the battery. All those, when we consider, it is practically it's not possible to supply 150 amps of current for 1 hour. Okay, now we'll take the ideal conditions. So, okay, all of us are having phones, mobile phones. See, this is a Samsung Galaxy A52 phone model, and this has got a battery of 4500 milliAh battery. What does it mean? That means milliampere hour battery. 4500 milliampere hour capacity. Now there are different types of batteries. Capacity batteries are available. That is 7Ah battery. I'm not talking about a voltage and all. Okay, 7Ah battery. There will be a 10Ah battery. These are regularly available. 96Ah battery, 36Ah battery, then 144Ah. So these are the generally available batteries. Now we'll see what is actually ampere hour. When you write ampere hour, what is it actually? Ampere hour means this is the current. This is ampere and this is the hours. Now we can write it as, what do you mean by 1 ampere of current? 1 ampere of current means, now we have to know what is 1 Ah. 1 Ah. What do you mean by 1 Ah? If 1 coulomb of current, what is current? Q upon T. Then hours. If you convert into second, how many seconds? 3600 seconds. Now Q. What is 1 amps? 1 ampere means what? If at a point, or we can take in a wire or something, if 1 coulomb of charge is passing through it in 1 second, it is known as 1 ampere. So ampere multiplied by time, that is 3600 seconds. So here what happens? Second cancels. Now 1 Ah means 1 ampere hour means it is 3600 coulomb of charge. So this is what we mean by 1 Ah equal to 3600 coulombs. Now what is there? This Ah means actually it is the ampere hour indicates the charge storing capability of a battery. Charge storing capability. H is the charge storing capability. Charge storing capability of a battery. Capability. Now I'll consider one battery. We'll consider how it is, how we can draw. Now let us assume that we have a 10 Ah battery, 10 ampere hour battery. So it is supplying, we have a load. So it is supplying us 5 amps of current. How long it can supply? If it supply 5 amps of current, it can supply it for 2 hours. 2 hours. Now the same battery, 10 Ah battery, if you are drawing 10 amps from it, how long it can last? It can last only ideally, okay, this is only 1 hour. Now from same battery, 10 Ah battery, if you are drawing only 1 amps, how long it can withstand, how long it can supply the load? It can supply for 10 hours. 10 hours. Now we are drawing only 0.5 amps. Sorry, let me write H. So this is also same Ah battery, 10 Ah battery, 10 Ah battery, and we are drawing only 0.5 amps. How long this can last? It can supply 20 hours. It can supply current to the load 20 hours. Like this, we can find what is the how long the battery can support the load. And one more, let me ask you one more thing. If you want to increase the battery capacity, Ah capacity, ampere hour capacity, if you want to increase, what do you do? You make the cells in parallel. Cells in parallel will connect to increase the what? To increase the ampere hour capacity or charge holding capacity of a battery. Now from here, this we should know. What is 1 Ah? 1 ampere hour equal to 3600 coulombs of charge. That is what 1 Ah means. Okay, we can solve one problem. Okay, after solving a problem also, something we have left to. Now let's take this problem. If a battery can supply 6 amperes of current for 16 hours, so what is the I value? Current equal to 6 amps. 16 hours, time equal to 16 hours. What is the age of what is its capacity? What is the capacity of the battery? How do you find the capacity of the battery? Capacity equals, capacity, how do you write? H. What is the ampere? Ampere value, how much current? 6 amps multiplied by, what is the time? 16 hours. So it is 16 hours. So what is the, how much it comes? It's a 96 Ah battery. 96 Ah. So 96 Ah battery. So now we got the capacity of the battery. It's a 96 Ah. And what else is there? Okay. So now we know the battery is 96 Ah, and if you are drawing 4 amps of current, how long it can last? Please check it out yourself. How long it can last? How do you find? What do you do? H, what is the capacity divided by current? That is 96 upon 4 gives the time. What is this? It is 24 hours. It lasts for 24 hours. So we have seen a problem also. I want to extend for 2 more minutes because something I want to tell you. Now, let this be a battery. Okay. It's a positive terminal. It's a negative terminal. negative terminal. I just want to ask you something. This is a load. This is my load. I am connecting this load to both the terminals. This let it be this way 10Ah battery. Does 10 ampere current flows through this resistor? Does? No. No. The current depends on the load connected. Okay. What is the current flowing the current? Depends on the load. Always remember, okay? It is just like that. If you are new to electronics, you may feel something else, but it's not. It always depends on the current. Depending upon this resistor, current increases or decreases. Okay. And quick one more point. One more way we can say, what is the energy capacity of this battery? Energy capacity of this battery. Energy capacity of this battery. Energy capacity of this battery. How do you see? Energy is given by power multiplied by time. Power multiplied by time. Power multiplied by time. Power multiplied by time. So E equals, what is power in a DC? VI. VI T. This gives watt hour. We will get one more unit, watt hour. Watt hour. So energy capacity of a battery is represented by WH. That is the watt hour. WH. So also you should make note of it. WH. What is the unit of energy? Or this we can say it in a joule also. Joule also. Okay, this short video, that is sufficient, I think. So this was our question. All of you please try the question and answer in the comment section. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.